If you click the first link in the description, it actually bring you right here. Once you are here, all you need to do is just to put your phone number, enter the captcha, put your password, and confirm your password right here. After that, you click on this sign up. But before that, my name is Emmanuel. Basically, what I didn't do today is that I made videos how to make money online. What I did is I tried it online. If I find out something working for me, I record video by showing you guys what I'm doing so that I can do something and get exact same result. So if you are new here, all you need to do is just to subscribe and turn on notification. So after you click on sign up, it actually bring you right here. So right as you can see right here. So do way to go through all this and read it so that you understand everything about this website. So right here, you can see the packages right here. Right, you can see if you invest 1,000 naira, you'll be earning 300 naira every day. And you can see the total return right here, 26,400 in 88 days. This one right here, if you invest 4,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 1,360 naira every day. This one right here, you can see this one right here. If you invest 2,000 naira, you're gonna be getting 640 every day. So it's left for you to invest what you can afford to lose. So this website just launched yesterday. So you need to invest what you can afford to lose, and don't just carry all your money and invest on this platform, because this type of platform, to tell you the truth, because I must tell you the truth, they don't last long. So you need to take the risk. It's not too, you can just risk your 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira or 4,000 naira, any amount you can afford to lose. So you can see right here, you can just, if you just invest 1,000 naira in in 4 days, you can withdraw your money, because minimum withdrawal right here is 1,000 naira. So if I just click on right, you can see that this website have this referral program right here. If you invest somebody, you can be earning 20% for first level, second level 3%, third level 1%. So that's how the platform works. You can just go through all this, and you can also make your own research. So right here, you can see right here, to link your account, you can just go to this link bank account, and to withdraw, you can see withdraw right here, and you can see this channel right here. You can see, you can just join the Telegram channel right here. You can see they have 432 subscribers right here. So just view and join their channel right here. You can also contact them from there. So right here, you just invest what you can afford to lose. But if you really, let me say, if you are watching this video, you just check the date I post this video. If it's like 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago, just DM me on WhatsApp to know if this website is still paying. So for you to invest, all you need to do is just to click on this. If you want to invest 1,000 naira, let me say you want to invest 1,000 naira, all you need to do is just to click on this 1,000 naira, and all you need to do is just click on this buy. Once you click on this buy, it will actually bring you right here. As you can see right here, all you need to do is just make payment to this account. As you can see the name of the person right here, I can see OPay. I can just copy the account number right here, and always remember to copy this transfer narration that you can put in the message. So right here, and see the instruction right here, the guide. Just make payment to this account. After making payment, just come back right here and click on and put your name, your sender name. After that, just click on this submit. Very, very important. So if I actually give you a value, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe and turn on the notification, and don't forget to invest what you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching.